Yes, hello, my beloved ones. Today we are looking at this diagram, and it sometimes comes in this format, and sometimes it comes in this format. Uh, this format. I think in the previous past paper of in CPRO they asked find the area of the shaded part in this format. And recently I saw another question, another paper, I think it was in Primo or Broad, I'm not sure, where they were saying that find the area of triangle ACD. When you see these diagrams, they are the same and they have same digits, same numbers, but the questions are different, yet they are meaning the same thing. The area of this triangle ACD, it is the shaded part which you are seeing here. So they are asking it to find the area of the shaded part, or they can say find the area of triangle ACD. Now, if you see these numbers or this number, what comes in your mind is the other method which I gave previously, which we know, whereby you first look for the area of the outer part of the whole triangle ABD, the whole triangle. And after looking for the area of the whole triangle, then you look for the area of the inner part of the inner triangle, this small triangle, which is triangle ABC. I see. Then after getting that triangle, area of that triangle, because this one has no height, it is like undefined triangle. Now you get the area of the outer triangle, which you have got area of A, B, and D. You get the area of the outer, you subtract the area of the inner, which is ABC. Then you remain with the area of this one, which is the shaded part here. So you get the area of the whole triangle, you subtract it from the area of this small triangle so that you can remain with the area of this shaded part. That was the method I had gave. And now today I'm giving you a simpler method that will teach your children, and most especially P7 students who are getting closer to their final exams. And this simple method is it is only to look for the area of that triangle directly, of that shaded part. Are you seeing it, the shaded part, or the area which the triangle which is ACD? Now you know that the area of a triangle itself, the area of a triangle is equal to a half times base times height. I hope we all know that one. That is the area of the triangle. Now this base, we shall use this one. I think the base, this one, CD, this is the base of that triangle. This triangle, the base is 6, and also the same here, the base is 6. Are you seeing it? This small triangle, this triangle which you want, the base is 6 centimeters. So we shall use 6 centimeters. So it will be area equals a half, then times base, which is 6 centimeters, then times height. We shall use this height. I think this height, which is 8 centimeters, the 8 meters, sorry, that is the height we shall use, because this is the height of the triangle. So we multiply by 8 out together, then you say by 2 1, then by 2, that is 3. So meaning when you get 1 times 3 times 8, you shall get 24 meters squared. As simple as that. That's how we get the area of that shaded part. We use the base of this triangle, but the height, we don't use 7 because 7 is not the height. We would rather use 8 meters. Use 8 as the height, then use base as 6. The same thing here also. We use base as 6 and the height as 8, not 7, because this 7 is not the height, it is a diagonal. So we use only the height, which is 8 meters, and base we don't use 10 or we don't use 4, but we use this one which they have asked, which is 6. Still it gives you an answer which is 24 meters squared. And also even if you look for the outer part and the inner part, then you get outer minus inner and remain with the middle part, still you shall get 24 meters squared. So it is 100% correct. 100% correct. That is the right simple method I can give and which can help you and you pass highly. Thank you so much. I remain Teacher Billy, your beloved teacher who loves you so much. Thank you.